All right, beautiful. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to try the same test using MAP gas for hopefully 2 minutes. Honestly, I'm holding the torch and I started getting some fumes back in my face, so that's why it was moving so much on the last one. This is 1/8 inch thick material, which is like the homemade Starlite variant. This one I actually made, I measured out the ingredients. So it is 10-to-1 corn starch to baking soda, and then enough PVA, i.e. Elmer's glue, to form it into a putty. I did 10 teaspoons to 1 teaspoon, and it took about, I guess, 1.5 ounces of glue to make it into a putty. So here goes. Oh, and then also I baked it in the oven. After I let it dry for a while, I baked it in the oven at 170 degrees for 30 minutes on each side, just to make sure it was thoroughly dried out. And that's why it curled up some too. So here we go. Okay, so that didn't last too long. What that tells me is the material is too thin to be effective. So we'll go ahead and try it again, but it gives you a little bit of information.